Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Well, today we're going to review the new spinner baits that I got from Amazon. This was the great deal that I have posted. So please, let's take a look at these. Alright, so I got two sets. So one is 5/8. This is a 5/8. And one is 3/8. 3/8. So, if you have never done one of these, do one of these. Unfortunately, I've already used that code, so I can't use it again. Alright, let's take a look at these. Now, I was really curious of this one. This is the black and blue. Look at this. This is really interesting. Look at that spinner. You've got just polished on the one side, but you've got black and speckles on that side. That was really cool. The head is the same way, it looks like. So you can see the head. Let's see. Doesn't really show it very well there. But it does have the speckles on it. It's black and blue. Now what's so interesting too about these kits, the excellent hook, by the way, they give you these. These are what they call stinger hooks. Now I've never used a stinger hook. So, from what I've seen on the picture, let me give you instructions on here. Nope, no instructions. Alright, so let's empty that out. Come on. I hate you. I hate you, hate you, hate you, hate you, hate you. Alright, come on. Alright, so I've never used a stinger hook, so you put it on this hook, so it's like that. So essentially you got two hooks. So the trick though, if you ask me, again, I've never used one of these. And they've got these bobber stoppers. I assume you just stick it on there. But once it's on, it's on. What about the trailer? So I'm a little confused. If you know how to use a stinger hook with a trailer, post down below. Because the bobber stoppers are great. They're rubber, so they'll fit right over the barb. But boy, once they're on, you ain't taking them off. And I always like to use a trailer. So I'm going to go fishing tomorrow, although it's mostly trout. And so let's take a look at these. You've got a really nice skirt on it. Not going to fall off. The eyes are really, really good. I love the painting on the head. These are... So you got two Colorado blades on that. This one's a combo. So this one's got two different blades on it. So, and so does the other one. So, but let's see what we got. I just got some new plastics in yesterday. What did you guys know from BFO Baits? So this is like perfect. I knew I got them because, I needed perfect. All right. There. There's my trailer. Going to hit it. It's a little long for it. Probably cut the nose off just a bit. So, but that's that. And then, of course, that white one would also work good for this. But I also got, I got this blue one. Be great. See this? This is blue. Ooh. It'd be great for the black and blue, wouldn't it? Because once you got that on, I mean, how are you going to use the stinger hooks with a trailer? I don't know. I don't know. See, and these have a cut in them right here. So, basically, keeps the hook right close to it. That'll look really good. That'll look great. Woo! Ooh, garlic scent. Alright, so that's fantastic, guys. So, I don't know how to use these. I assume you have to use them without a trailer. What do you guys think? Somebody tell me. Alright, so those are my 3/8. The two that I will probably use tomorrow. Give you these little boxes. I can never get them back in the box, although now I've got trailers on them. So this is my 5/8. It's child-proof. Oh. It's 5/8. Alright. Same code. Use that one. 2 stingers. Much larger head. 1/4 ounce heavier. Again, I am just so intrigued on the black and blue. I am so intrigued by this. So we're going to... black and blue works great, by the way. And I'm going to a great lake tomorrow. Fantastic lake for kayak fishing. It really is. I'm going to catch some tomorrow. Terrible at fishing won't be terrible tomorrow. Yeah. Not at all. Alright, so there we go. Yeah, that's good. That looks good. Look at that. That looks good. And then, what did I put it on? The yellow one there? Where's my other one? Oh. It's green. Good try. See, that one's green. You guys really can't see it very good on that. Oh yeah, that'll work good on that one. Good. Oh yeah. That'll look good on that. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to catch him tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. Although, like I said, it's mostly trout tomorrow, but these are bass. These stingers. Someone tell me, how do you use those with trailers? I don't know. Oh, this is going to be... Ooh, it smells like garlic, too. Woo! So, those are the new spinner baits. Super sharp hooks. Great skirts to them. Love the head. This is a ball-bearing swivel. Excellent. This is really good stuff, guys. I really hope you took advantage of them. I really do. I'm having a hard time breathing this week. Got the nose, oxygen. All right. This is not a Madbite, but I asked Madbite, are you coming out with frogs? And they said no. So, I needed to buy frogs. Solicitor. So, voila. I got these. I got these from Amazon. You know, they had good reviews. So, this is a Lenpebby. I don't know. But anyway, I needed some frogs. And, you know, this set was only like $8 for 5 of them. So, a little stiff on this one. So, it's probably because the air's not really being released. So, again, nice eyes, nice paint job. I like that. The only thing is, you know, they did seal it up with glue, but then before it was dried, they put it back in the package. So the little leg trailers ended up gluing to it, but it just pulls right off. You can see it's sort of glued to it. Oops. But, you know, they just pull right off. So, all of them are white bellies, I think. Yeah, they're all white bellies. And, so, anyway. Now, in Southern California, I never did frogs because we don't have lily pads or anything like that. Not that you need lily pads, but typically that helps. So, anyway, 5 frogs for $8. Kind of love that. I'll put the link below for you. So, but these, please take advantage of the spinnerbait kits. Bam! $7 to you guys. Come on. I don't know if it's still 60%. It's probably 40% off now, so it's like $8.50 to you. So, no big deal. All right? No big deal. Get them. Madbite makes great tackle. They just do. And it's super affordable. And please, somebody tell me how to use stingers with trailers. How do you use stingers with trailers? Can you? I don't think you can. I don't think you can do it. I could, but how do you put another trailer on it? Because you're not going to take this thing off. I'm stumped. Terrible at fishing is stumped. Google it. I'm going to ask somebody at Kastking, how do you use a stinger with a trailer? And somebody's going to give me an answer, and I'll post it. I'll modify the details. So anyway, thank you everybody. I'll be out on the water with a buddy of mine because my breathing is really bad, labored lately. So it's going to take a lot of my effort in order to go fishing tomorrow. But it's going to be a beautiful day, and they just put 5,000 trout in that lake. And 1,400 of them is trophy size. So I just got to catch some of those. And you know, it's also a bass lake, so got to get some of those too. They got crappie too, so got to get some of those. I mean, I got to get some. Give me some. So anyway, we'll take care, everybody. We'll see you guys where? Out on the water. Come on out.